Good morning, guys. So I am on my way to Walmart. I just dropped my son off to school and I'm getting ready to do a mukbang like early in the morning to just go ahead and knock it out of the way. Which right now is 8:21, but I probably won't actually start eating until like noon, 11 o'clock noon. And this car in front of me is going so freaking slow. She must not be from around her. So yeah, I just need to pick up a few things in Walmart. I don't know what pretty little water or juice I'm gonna do today, but let me let this car go by. I ain't gonna hit you, little girl. Looking at me like that. So yeah, I'll probably think of something. Well, I'm sure I'll think of something while I'm in here. I guess the cleaning people was off last night, child. Shoot. I want to try some of these so bad. But it's only one left, so I don't want it. Find the shots that I always get, because I know a lot of people always ask. So they don't have the ones that I usually get, but it's like right next to the salad. Here's the aisle with the honey buns. So it's right in front of the juices. And these are the honey buns. I made it home from Walmart. I just picked up a few things that I would need today for the video. So I picked up some mint leaves, some strawberries, fresh corn on the cob, some of my favorite smoked turkey sausage, and some of the Smart Balance butter, and one kiwi. It's simply limeade, which is my favorite. And then I picked up this citrus squeezer because I think I'm gonna try to start drinking warm lemon water in the morning. It's supposed to really help with your metabolism, so you're supposed to drink it first thing in the morning. So I'm getting ready to do that, and I forgot the lemons, but I have like one lemon in there, so I'll just warm up some water and make me some fresh lemon water for the morning. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and cook. Then I'm going to do my makeup, and then I'll do the mukbang around 12. So I really didn't get that much juice, and I only had like one lemon. I need the other one for my video, so we'll just start off with this for now. But cheers. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Crab clusters, mussels, shrimp, corn, and sausage. Kiwi and strawberry water. Ooh. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I'm done with my mukbang. I was finished with my mukbang hours ago, but I left. I went to pick up Kalila, went to pick up Tony, came back home, edited my video, then we went to Ross. We bought some matching pajamas because we are having a sisters night in. I haven't seen Kalila in about 3 or 4 weeks. I mean, besides FaceTime, but yeah, so we're gonna get caught up. We're gonna have some girl talk. You know, I'm not eating anything else tonight because I'm pretty full for my seafood, and we did stop by Chick-fil-A on the way home for Kalila, so she probably won't have anything else either. But we do have some snacks, so we're gonna do facials, some snacks, watch some movies. I'll make us some cute little mocktails. It's gonna be a whole little situation. So this is what I'll be using. So I'm gonna make us some little Shirley Temples. So I'm just using the 7-Up, the grenadine. You can get all this stuff from Walmart. We're gonna do some of the Healthy Pop kettle corn. And I'm gonna spray it with some of this food coloring color mist. So we're gonna do the pink. So this is something fun that you guys can do for, like, maybe if you want to do like a little birthday party or a little sleepover for your daughters or your granddaughters or yourself, you know, whatever whatever you're into. This is like really fun to do. They have like pink, purple, blue, I think they have yellow, they have gold and silver, but that won't look too good on the popcorn. Quick, I have to show you guys my new notebook. I'm obsessed. It is so gorgeous. I found this at Ross when we went looking for our matching PJs for girls' night, of course. But isn't this pretty? This is how my countertops will look in my new house and my bathroom, but not this dark. I like it a little lighter than this, but this is so pretty. Like, so pretty. New journal alert. We have on our little matching outfits. Girls night, girls. Last time we got together for girls night, y'all remember what happened. Ain't none of that going on this time. Okay, y'all, we have on our matching jammies. Girls' night. I have on my little piglets. Kalila has on hot pink socks. First things first. Oh, let me light a candle, girl, because we gotta smell good. We're gonna do champagne toast. We want to find a movie. Do we want to watch scary movies or what we want to do?